Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Alright, now in DaVinci Resolve, as you can see, I've got this video on the timeline and I want to export it. So what I will do is go to this icon where it says deliver and it looks like a rocket, which is a really cool icon. Then on the left hand side you're gonna have all the export settings, and from the very top you've got the presets, and from here you can choose a exporting preset. In this case I'm going to leave it as a custom export, but you can choose from H.264 master and H.265. In this case I'm going to be using H.264, but some people prefer H.265. That's a personal choice. In this case I'll leave it as H.264, and also I will leave it as a QuickTime format, but if your laptop is struggling you can change it to MP4. But again, in this case I'll leave it as a QuickTime. And also don't forget to click on exporting video. Then if you go further down, you've got a few options. You've got the resolution. In this case I'm going to leave it as a timeline resolution. Also, as you can see, the frame rate is 25 frames per second, and the quality I will leave as automatic, and the rest of it I'll leave it as it is. Another important thing is that if you go to the timeline again, you can see from render that you can choose between entire timeline or in and out range. In this case it's entire timeline. And once you're ready with it, you just go down to add to render queue, and now this is added to the render queue. And once you're ready again, you can press render all. But before you click on that, make sure that you select the file name. I'll just type it on demo, and also you can select the location. In this case I'll choose the downloads and then save. And once you've selected the location, you can go to render all. So I'm just going to click on render all, and here it shows the process of rendering. And because this video is just a few seconds long, it did render it very quick. And of course, if your video is 20 minutes long and it's HD resolution, then it will take longer to render. So people, that's how you can export videos in DaVinci Resolve. As you can see, it's super easy and super straightforward. Also, if you learned something new and you think that you gained some value from it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.